Good morning, students. Welcome to our online video class. This is 10th standard chemistry, unit 8, periodic classification of element lesson. In our previous section, I discussed types of separation or concentration of an ore. Once again recall types of separation. There are 4 methods to use to concentrate of ore. What are the method? First one, gravity separation or hydraulic method. Gravity separation or hydraulic method. Second one, magnetic separation method. Third one, forced flotation. Fourth one, chemical method or leaching. In this chemical method, used to suitable solvent. The ore are soluble with water, suitable with the particular solvent. Impurities are not dissolved, so easily separated by filtration method. The fourth flotation, gang particles. What is gang particle? Collection of impurities are called gang particles. The gang particles are heavier than compared to ore particles. Ore particles are lighter. Gang particles are heavier. The heavier particles settle down the bottom of the tank using pine oil. The ore with ore, water and pine oil used. The heavier gang particles settle down and lighter ore particles forth on the top of the layer. So using fine oil, the ore and gang particles are easily removed. Magnetic separation method used to the magnetic property elements. The particular elements are used to separate magnetic separation. The fourth flotation method used to what type of ores? Sulfide ores. And gravity separation used to what type of ores? Oxide ore. Oxide ore example, bauxite. Bauxite formula Al2O3 to H2O. These are the types of separation or concentration of the ore. These 4 types used to first of all remove impurities and finally get a rich amount of ore. Let's see today's topics. Today's topic is metallurgy of aluminium. Aluminium symbol Al. Aluminium is the metal found most abundantly in the earth crust. Since it is a reactive metal, it's occur in the combined state. The important ore of aluminium. There are 3 important ore of aluminium. First one, bauxite. Bauxite formula Al2O3 to H2O. The second ore of aluminium, graphite. Graphite formula Na3Al(F6). The third ore of aluminium, corundum. Corundum formula Al2O3. These three ores are aluminium. Once again recall, ore of aluminium. There are 3 ores of aluminium. First one, bauxite. Second one, graphite. Third one, corundum. But in these 3 ore of aluminium, we get the chief ore of aluminium is bauxite, because profitably give more amount of aluminium get this bauxite ore only. Bauxite only give more amount of aluminium economically. So Remaining to cryolate corundum gives aluminium but lesser amount, but backside gives more amount. So because the aluminium backside is a chief ore of aluminium, backside is a chief ore of aluminium. The extraction of aluminium from bauxite involves two steps. Extraction of aluminium from bauxite ore involves two steps. What are the two steps? Two steps. The first steps: concentration of bauxite into alumina. Concentration of bauxite into alumina. The process name is Bayer process. Bayer process. The conversion of bauxite into alumina involves the following steps. First one, bauxite. Bauxite was finely ground and heated under pressure with a solution of concentrated gastric soda. Solution of concentrated gastric soda solution at 150 degrees Celsius. 150 degrees Celsius to obtain sodium metaluminate. Take bauxite ore finely ground and heated under pressure. Bauxite ore formula Al2O3. The bauxite ore mixed with concentrated gastric soda. What is the formula of gastric soda? NaOH. Otherwise said to be sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide otherwise said to be gastric soda. The aluminium bauxite Al2O3 react with gastric soda. 2 moles of the coefficient represent moles, number of moles. Sodium gastric soda bauxite mixed with gastric soda, we get sodium metaluminate. What is the formula of sodium metaluminate? NaAlO2. And remove some amount of water. This process under what temperature? 150 degrees. Under pressure, the temperature range is 150 degrees Celsius. This process are obtained from 150 degrees Celsius. The bauxite react with gastric soda to give sodium metaluminate. And diluting sodium metaluminate with water to precipitate of aluminium hydroxide is formed. Sodium metaluminate. What is the formula of sodium metaluminate? NaAlO2. This NaAlO2 sodium metaluminate react with water. There is diluting. The diluting of sodium metaluminate to give aluminium hydroxide. What is the formula of aluminium hydroxide? AlOH thrice. The byproduct is sodium hydroxide. Remove some sodium hydroxide. And diluting sodium metaluminate. Sodium metaluminate react with water to form a precipitate of aluminum hydroxide. What is the formula of aluminum hydroxide? AlOH thrice. The precipitate is filtrate, washed and dried and get ignited at 1000 degrees Celsius to get alumina. The precipitate. What is the precipitate? Aluminum hydroxide precipitate is filtrate and washed and dried and ignited at what is the temperature? 1000 degrees Celsius. We get alumina. Aluminum hydroxide formula AlO2. Take 2 moles of aluminum hydroxide. The coefficient represent number of moles. 2 moles of AlOH thrice. Take under temperature 1000 degrees Celsius. We get alumina. What is the formula of alumina? Al2O3. Remove some water molecule. How many water molecules removed? 3 moles of water. Water formula H2O. So the diluting of sodium metaluminate with water to form a precipitate of aluminum hydroxide. What is the formula? Aluminum hydroxide AlOH thrice. This AlOH thrice filtrate, washed and dried and ignited at 1000 degrees Celsius. At 1000 degrees Celsius, aluminum hydroxide get alumina. What is the alumina formula? Al2O3. And remove some water molecule. What is the formula for water? H2O. This is first step. Next, learn about second step. What is the second step? The second step is Hall process. Name of the process Hall. Electrolytic reduction of alumina. What is the formula of alumina? Al2O3. Al2O3. Electrolytic reduction of alumina. The process name is Hall process. Hall's process. Aluminium is produced by the electrolytic reduction of fused alumina. Fused alumina. Fused alumina formula Al2O3 in the electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell. In this process, take two cells. One is cathode, another one is anode. Cathode acts as a ion tank. Ion tank lined with graphite. Ion tank lined with graphite. And who acts as a anode? Anode is a bunch of graphite rods suspended in the molten electrolyte. Who acts as the electrolyte? Pure alumina. What is the alumina formula? Al2O3. Pure alumina and molten cryolite and fluorophore. These are act as a electrolyte. In this electrolyte dipped with two rods, one is cathode, another one is anode. Cathode act as a ion tank link lined with graphite. The anode act as a bunch of graphite rods are act as the anode. Who act as the electrolyte? Pure alumina, molten cryolite and fluorophore. These are act as the electrolyte. What is the purpose of adding fluorophore? Fluorophore lower the fusion temperature of electrolyte. Reduce the fusion temperature. So add the fluorophore. What is the purpose of adding fluorophore in electrolyte solution? Fluorophore acts as a reduced fusion temperature. That is lower the fusion temperature of electrolyte. In this Hall process, the temperature is 900 to 950 degrees Celsius. Voltage is how voltages are used. 5 to 6 voltage current is used. Overall reaction. Alumina formula Al2O3. These Al2O3 add to the 5 to 6 voltage of current at under temperature 900 to 950 degrees Celsius. We get aluminium formula Al and oxygen gases release. Oxygen gas formula O2. How many oxygen gas are released? 3 moles of oxygen gas is released. In this Hall's process, alumina formula Al2O3. The alumina converted into aluminum element. This aluminum element formula Al and released oxygen gas. This is Hall's process. See this picture. This is Hall process. This is the black color. The black color layers indicates carbon cathode lining. The three electrolytes, graphite rods are dipped in electrolyte. Who act as electrolyte? Fluorophore, molten alumina and cryolite act as electrolyte. This electrolyte dipped with iron graphite rods. The graphite rods are act as a anode. The carbon linings are used as a cathode. The aluminium is deposited at the cathode. Aluminum is deposited at the cathode, and oxygen gas is liberated. At the anode. Oxygen combined with graphite to form a carbon dioxide. Aluminium deposited at the cathode. Okay, who acts as a cathode? Ion tank link lined with graphite rods are act as a cathode. In this cathode, the aluminum are deposited. Remaining oxygen. The oxygen gas are deposited as the anode. The anode liberates oxygen gas. In this oxygen gas react with carbon. Oxygen combined with graphite to form a carbon dioxide. So every graphite contains main source of carbon. So oxygen combined with graphite contains carbon. A carbon react with oxygen to form a carbon dioxide gas. Aluminium is deposited with cathode, and oxygen gas is liberated at anode. The anode and the oxygen gas combined with graphite Graphite contains already we know carbon molecules. The carbon react with oxygen to form a carbon dioxide. This is Hall's process. This is second steps. First step is a Bayer process. Second step is Hall's process. In this first step, backside converted into alumina. Backside formula Al2O3 2H2 converted into alumina formula Al2O3. This is first steps Bayer process. In the second step, Hall's process. The alumina converted into aluminium. Alumina formula Al2O3 converted into what? Aluminium. Al. First process is Bayer process. Second process is Hall's process. The Hall's process is get pure aluminium using current. How many voltage is used? 5 to 6 voltage used to get pure aluminium. Dear children, learn today's topics. Today's topic is extraction of aluminium. Extraction of aluminium proceed at 2 steps. What are the 2 steps? Hall process and Bayer process. Thank you, students.